Bitcoin trades above $23,000, Ether trades below $1,600. India keeps restrictive crypto tax rules in 2023 budget. Voyager creditors reject Alameda's attempt to recover $446 million. Toyota to experiment with blockchain use cases by sponsoring A-Star Network's hackathon. Cardano-Based Djed stablecoin attracts 27 million ADA tokens as reserve backing. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Cryptocurrency markets were trading mixed on Wednesday ahead of the Federal Reserve interest rate decision, which is scheduled to be announced later in the day. Bitcoin traded around $23,000 level. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us about how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 0.1% at 32,600 points. The Federal Reserve will announce its decision on interest rate hikes while it continues to wage its battle against inflation. However, market participants expect a 25 basis points or 0.25 percentage point bump from the central bank. India's finance minister announced Budget 2023. However, the proposal found no mention of virtual digital assets. The global cryptocurrency market cap was trading higher around $1.04 trillion, rising 0.2% in the last 24 hours. The total crypto market volume decreased by 14% to stand at $46 billion. Traders may be getting ahead of themselves in expecting a more dovish tone from the Fed or looking for clues regarding a pause in interest rate hike decision. If Jerome Powell continues to remain hawkish, it might trigger a boost for the US dollar due to the prospects of rising interest rates. The US dollar index, which is a measure of the value of the US dollar relative to a basket of foreign currencies, was trading at 101.90 points. Stock futures slipped as investors looked ahead to the Federal Reserve's meeting. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average shed 121 points or 0.35%. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq Composite futures were down 0.32% and 0.2% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $22,997, up 0.4%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 0.1%, trading at $1,573. BNB was down by 1.2% to trade at $306. Solana SOL was down 1.2% and was trading at $23.5. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $19, lower 3%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 0.2% to trade at $1.1. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 0.4% at $0.091. According to crypto analytics firm Sentiment, DogeCoin witnessed a spike in on-chain activity. The dog-themed meme coin recorded its highest number of whale transactions for the year and the highest in 2 months. The crypto analytics platform also observed the same pattern in terms of address activity. The data revealed that whales carried out 523 Doge transactions valued above $100,000, the highest since November 27th.
Thank you, Ruchi, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. India has kept its restrictive crypto tax rules unchanged in 2023. In fact, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman did not mention crypto, virtual digital assets, blockchain, or central bank digital currencies while unveiling the nation's budget, which indicates the latest tax rules. Last year, the world's largest democracy instituted stiff taxes on crypto transactions, a 30% tax on profits, and a 1% tax deducted at source on all transactions. Predictions from the industry that the year would be a period of pain ostensibly came true. Crypto trading volumes plummeted almost immediately. Indians moved more than $3.8 billion in trading volume from local to international crypto exchanges in the 9 months after the announcement, and interest in crypto nosedived. Several individuals closely working in the crypto regulatory space had publicly said they were hopeful for a tax cut, but privately opined that it was unlikely. An attempt by defunct crypto trading firm Alameda Research to extract $446 million it made in loan repayments to bankrupt Voyager Digital has been rejected by both the Creditors Committee and Voyager itself, according to court filings. Voyager creditors argued that Alameda's claims should either be equitably subordinated to all other creditor claims or recharacterized as equity. The creditors said that Alameda's inequitable and fraudulent conduct cost Voyager and the creditors between $114 million to $122 million. The creditors cited prior case law that says court may rearrange the priorities of creditors' interests and to place all or part of a wrongdoer's claim in an inferior status in order to achieve a just result. Alameda, according to the creditors, made a series of false statements to Voyager and its creditors committee about its financial strength, claiming at one time to have a bottomless sea of ordinary cryptocurrency. These claims are why Voyager's Creditors Committee voted to support the selection of Alameda as the buyer of Voyager's balance sheet by the slimmest of margins, according to the court filings. Voting for the bankruptcy plan is scheduled to end on February 22, with Voyager expected to be back in court on March 2 to continue the case. Automotive giant Toyota is delving deeper into use cases of blockchain technology by sponsoring a Web3 hackathon on multi-chain smart contract network A-Star Network, which could potentially yield management tools for Toyota's employees. Developers will build an intra-company decentralized autonomous organization support tool on the A-Star network, one of the first parachains to come to the Polkadot ecosystem, which will allow more efficient business decision-making and team management for Toyota. Keeping with the Web3 utilization theme, the hackathon will take place in Cosmi's Event Hall, the first metaverse on the A-Star network. Cardano-based over-collateralized stablecoin Djed has attracted over 27 million Cardano tokens as backing less than a day after launch. Djed has a reserve ratio of nearly 600%, meaning each Djed is backed by 6 times its value in ADA. At current prices, the ADA logged for issuing Djed is worth over $10 million. The highly anticipated Djed stablecoin has been jointly developed by Cardano code maintainer IOG and COTI, a Layer 1 blockchain. Djed will be backed by other tokens and requires between 400% and 800% in collateral value to be posted before it is issued to a user. This over-collateralized mechanism would allow Djed's value to hold stably during market stress and prevent a repeat of Terra USD, the infamous stablecoin linked to Luna, which fell over 99% in May. And now let's go to Ruchi Sharma to get an update on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day.
Cardano's stablecoin Djed and its reserve token Shen have been listed on Wing Riders, a Cardano-based decentralized exchange, just hours after going live on mainnet. Coty Network announced this on Twitter yesterday. Coty stated that after Djed and Shen were listed on Wing Riders, users could begin providing liquidity for the asset in order to earn rewards. The news comes less than 2 weeks after Wing Riders teased a collaboration with Coty. Wing Riders stated that the announcement is something big that its users have been patiently waiting for, while inviting its followers to speculate. Users speculated that the announcement was related to the Cardano stablecoin because Wing Riders had previously partnered with Coty to integrate Djed into the DEX at launch. In a similar development, Coty also disclosed that Djed and Shen have also been listed on another Cardano-based DEX, MuesliSwap. ADA was trading at $0.3807, up 1.65% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $13 billion. FCF Pay recently announced that Shiba Inu's Bone and Leash will soon be available as payment options for their virtual debit cards. FCF Pay previously only accepted Bitcoin as payment. The decision was made following a successful Twitter poll conducted by FCF Pay. The FCF Pay debit card poll polled the community to choose their favorite cryptocurrency to be added as a payment option for their virtual debit cards. The poll received 1,745 votes in total. Out of the 4 options available, BNB, Ethereum, Bone and Leash, the Shiba Inu tokens Bone and Leash received 85.9% of the votes, while BNB and Ethereum received only 10.4% and 3.7% respectively. Bone was trading at $1.31, up 0.15% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $2 million. Floki Inu has surged 114% in the last 7 days, reaching levels not seen since the Terra collapse. The recent price increase in Floki was largely triggered by the recent passage of a proposal to burn 4.97 trillion tokens. Floki increased by 59% overnight as a result of the rally. This upward trend continued on January 29th when the asset reached a 10-month high after another 49% increase. Floki last saw these levels before the Terra implosion in May. The recent rally has piqued the interest of several notable industry players who have praised the asset's solo campaign. The Floki DAO's recent passage of a proposal has contributed to this latest rally. On January 28, the team announced that the community had voted to approve a proposal to burn 4.97 trillion Floki tokens and lower the transaction tax rate from 3% to 0.3%. At the time the proposal was approved, the token set to be burned totaled $103 million. Floki Inu was trading 5.72% down in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $2 million.
Thank you, Ruchi. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV.